I learned a lot. Now I know a lot about angle, about how much water to put in a certain things, and I learned a bunch of algebra, and it's really fun.
Two, go! Okay, 1, 2, go! Okay, 1, 2, go!
Oh no, Max, you jinxed it!
Okay, 1, 2, go!
Oh my god. I give up. Max!
Okay, 1, 2, go! One, two, go! Oh!
Hit it!
Good job! 1, 2, go! Oh! 1, 2, go! Wow! Again!
They changed, yeah, because last time this one wasn't in the middle, and we think that kind of affected it. And then we just tested different water levels and angles.
And then, as they say, practice makes perfect.
Wow!
Oh, good job.
It was about to hit the mark, but it went a little bit to the left. It was sucked. Well, we kind of still made it.
How far off was it from the target?
1.8 meters.
1, 2, go!
We made it more aerodynamic in the cone and used the fins in a certain way to make the air go around the fin.
Yeah.
Instead of the fin snapping and going like that.
We also changed some of the fins for science. This one has fins like this, going at any degree angle here. This one is the same thing. We just flip these upside down, split them like that.
We just had students launch their rockets. Record success here today for this distance. Had about a distance of 0.3 meters on our vertical target, about a meter away from our horizontal ground target. So the students did really well today. All the students showed improvements.
They have to refer to their own data according to their own specs of the rocket as far as how far and what trajectory a rocket will launch at any given angle and at any given water level are the main two factors that they play with. From time to time they experiment with different rockets, so they might switch a spec on the rocket as far as like the fins, the cone, the weight, but mainly those are the two that they tell Jose is water level and rocket. So it's like how many milliliters and what angle.
This is one of the best battle rocket competitions. Each time I can visualize that the students can improve the project and put integration, apply math, physics, science. Wonderful.
Well, when the students come in to for the freshman academy, they're a little bit nervous or tentative. And as the program goes on, they begin to build that confidence that they can actually do it. So I mean, we keep hearing from when they start, oh, I can't do this, they didn't learn this in middle school, I don't know if we could do this, to the point where, oh man, this is easy, we got this. Their confidence level actually builds up.
At the end, it's really worth it because we get this, we get 1 credit, we get our graphing calculator, and we get the card, and it's gonna help me for high school, getting ready for high school. Yeah.
We want the students to be learning algebra, seeing how it applies to the real world. And in this case, they kind of applied it to the water bottle rockets and they had great success. It's the type of confidence we want them to take into their freshman year so that they have success in math, which we know is going to kind of take them to that next step to beyond high school and to a college or university.